Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to simplify this algebraic expression. Well, the very first thing that Mr. Tan would like to do is to, by use of color, identify all the like terms. AB and BA are the same. Do take note the sign in front of each term. Negative 5A and negative A, and the last one is a positive B squared. So I will have 1AB plus 6AB, 7AB. And I will have negative 5A, negative A. Total will have negative 6A of them. The last thing will be a positive B squared. And we are done, having simplifying all the like terms. And we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.